Will AI replace CMAs? The truth is going to shock you. Right now, CFOs everywhere are racing to implement AI in their finance departments. Gartner reports that AI adoption in finance has gained serious momentum. But here's what nobody's talking about. CMAs are commanding higher salaries. There's one specific combination that's causing CMAs to become the most sought after professionals in finance, while other accountants are getting left behind. And I'm about to show you exactly what separates them in this AI revolution. Let's be real for a second. AI is already transforming accounting and finance. Microsoft launched Copilot for Finance in 2024 and is handling complex financial analysis and reporting tasks. PwC invested $1 billion in generative AI capabilities, fundamentally changing how they deliver services. And EY just announced large-scale integration of leading-edge AI technology into their global assurance platform. But look at what's actually happening in the job market. Robert Half's latest data reveals that financial planning and analysis roles are among the highest in demand. The strategic finance positions, such as CFO, controller roles, and FP&A managers, these are the positions companies are desperately trying to fill right now. And you guessed it, the CMA provides the expert-level knowledge and skills to be successful in these roles today. Another indication as to why CMAs are in high demand and commanding higher salaries. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Nathan Liao, founder of CMAExamAcademy.com. I help busy finance leaders and accountants pass the CMA exam in just 16 weeks and on their first attempt, so they can accelerate their career and influence. I'm a certified management accountant with over 20 years of experience. Stick around and I'll show you how to grab my free exam cheat sheet to get started. Here's what separates CMAs from everyone else getting disrupted. The IMA recently expanded their Management Accounting Competency Framework in 2025, emphasizing the strategic competencies that AI cannot replicate. Things like strategic planning, emerging technologies, data analytics, cybersecurity, and digital transformation. CMAs are trained in exactly what companies need right now: the ability to interpret data, make strategic decisions, and lead transformation initiatives. But if you're not a CMA yet, here's the critical point. You need to get certified first before you can leverage these AI tools strategically. The certification gives you the foundation to understand what the AI outputs actually mean for business strategy. Companies aren't looking for people to just crunch numbers anymore. They will eventually be fully automated. They need professionals who can bridge the gap between AI capabilities and business strategy. Is your company currently using AI systems in the accounting or finance function? Share your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to know. Here's what's really happening. AI is automating the routine work that used to consume 60 to 70% of an accountant's day. Journal entries, reconciliations, basic reporting. AI will handle more of that each day. But strategic thinking and analysis, business partnering, risk assessment, ethical decision making, that's where CMAs are becoming invaluable. The professionals seeing massive career growth right now are CMAs who understand how to use AI as a tool to amplify their strategic impact. They're not competing with AI, they're amplifying their expertise with it. But here's why timing matters. The finance transformation is happening now. Robert Half research shows that companies can't find enough qualified strategic finance professionals to fill their open positions. If you're thinking about becoming a CMA, this is your moment. The IMA's expanded competency framework is specifically designed to prepare you for this AI integrated future. Companies are actively seeking CMAs and paying them very well because they know these professionals have the strategic foundation to lead in an AI-enabled environment. But it's not just about the salary, it's about becoming irreplaceable. While AI handles the routine work, CMAs are leading strategic initiatives, making critical business decisions, managing AI implementation, driving business transformation. These aren't jobs that AI can do. These are jobs that need human judgment, ethical reasoning, and strategic thinking. So what's your move? If you're not a CMA yet, the path is clear. Get certified first. The CMA certification gives you the strategic foundation that makes you valuable in an AI world. The companies investing billions in AI, PricewaterhouseCoopers, EY, Microsoft, they're all looking for finance professionals who can think strategically, not just process transactions anymore. And here's something crucial. The demand for strategic finance roles is outpacing supply right now. That means opportunity for those who act. If you want to learn more about the CMA and pass your exam on the first try, download my CMA exam cheat sheet in PDF format. It includes the 9 best strategies to ace your exam, and the download link is in the description. Look, AI isn't replacing CMAs. It's replacing the routine work that stops CMAs from doing what they do best, driving strategic value. The accountants getting automated out, they're the ones doing work that AI will be doing. The CMAs seeing career growth, they're the ones using AI to become strategic powerhouses in their organizations. The question isn't whether AI will replace CMAs. The question is whether you'll be one of the CMAs that companies are desperately trying to hire right now, or one of the accountants wondering why their job disappeared. The transformation is happening. Major firms are investing billions. Companies are restructuring their finance teams, and CMAs with strategic skills are more valuable than ever. The choice is yours. But every month you wait, the opportunity gap widens. Will AI replace CMAs? Now you know the truth. CMAs aren't being replaced. They're being amplified with AI and becoming more essential than ever. But only if you have the certification and strategic skills to prove it. The window is open now. Watch this next video to discover the 10 steps to earn your CMA.